can tell me what this is. Class? Oh no! What have you done?
Tasty!
Oh.
This is a juicy booger!
Yay!
Yummy! Look, I'm a rainbow!
You're all so gross. I can't take it anymore. I've had enough. No more Mrs. Nice Teacher. That's different.
Whoa! No way!
Art for sale. Get your masterpiece today. Does no one appreciate real art? Oh, how about you? Sir? Ma'am? Ugh, I'll never be a success. Ugh, that's all I need. Huh? What is this? A waitressing job? And you can be a bird? This is the answer to all my problems!
Welcome to the team. These drinks are for table 2.
Okay, I can do this. I just need to walk in a straight line.
You look beautiful. No! What are you doing?
Steady. A little further. I've got your… Whoa!
No! Ah!
Look out! Ah!
You're fired!
Ouch! That's gonna leave a bruise. Wait a second. Inspiration has struck. I'll become a cleaner. That's kinda cute. It's like playing dress-up. Wish me luck. This is more like it. There's no pressure on me. I can't mess this up. There. Looking good. Phew. What a day. I need a rest.
Home at last. I'm looking forward to this pizza. Huh? There's feathers all over the floor. Wait a second. There's a giant bird in my bed.
Oh, yeah. What the?
Are you crazy? You're fired!
I can explain. Hang on. The pizza shop is hiring. I could totally do that. One pizza coming right up. And it's by airmail. We have liftoff. Wow, everything seems so small down there. Is it a bird? Is it… Well, yeah, it is a bird. I'm making great time. Nothing can stop me. Oh! Ah!
Where did you come from?
What's all the noise?
Ooh, are we drawing?
I don't believe it! Whoa, so cool!
My goodness.
Do you like it? It's a little rushed. Sorry. I tried my best.
It's wonderful. You're hired. Give me that. The pen strokes, the shadowing. Mwah! You're a natural. And I'm gonna be rich.
I could totally fit another pen up my nose. Uh-oh.
In today's lesson, you get to draw a cute birdie.
Whoa, you mean it? This is my kind of class. This is gonna be fun. I'll start with the outline. So far, so good. Now the eyes and wings. It's time to color it. I want it to be so bright. Wow, I love it. I could do this all day. This purple is perfect for the wings. I'll color the legs yellow. It's gonna look amazing. I just need to stay inside the lines. I'll use the yellow for the beak, too. I don't want to miss any spots. I'll use pink for the body. It reminds me of someone. This is my favorite class. That's it. All done. This is tough. Wait, I've got it. I'll need my ruler. I'll start with a straight line. I really hope this works. It's gonna be so different. I'll make some dots here. Then it's time to add a splash of color. I've divided my bird into sections. I'll fill each part separately. I've also added tabs around the bird. They'll come in handy later. I have a good feeling about this. Everyone is gonna be amazed. The body is almost finished. Then I can color the beak. I'll take my time. I don't want to ruin it. I've put so much effort into it. Blue hair. So cool. I'll make the wing the same color. It's almost done. I need to cut it out. The dotted lines are where I need to fold it. It makes it so much easier. I just need to follow the lines. And then make a crease. The tabs help stick it together. I'll use glue to secure it. It's a little more work, but it's totally worth it. That's the last one. Check it out. What do you think? I hope you like it.
Aw, it's so good. Well done.
Wait until you see this.
Oh, wow. That's very creative, Leo. Wait, it's following me around the room. It just keeps staring at me. That's kind of freaky. It doesn't blink. Yikes. I must be imagining it. There's more! They're everywhere! There's no escape! I'm surrounded! What is happening? I don't feel so good. I've got birds on the brain.
So, do you like them?
Sure.
I knew it!
You can have this lollipop.
Ooh, yummy. Thanks. I enjoyed that. Aw, I wanted a lollipop. Don't be sad, Lexi. You can have this. Aw, that's so sweet. You're the best, Leo. It's delicious. Bash, bash, bash! Wait a second.
Hi, class. Notice something different?
Is this a trick question? Wait, I know. You're fat!
No, I'm having a baby. I'm gonna be a mommy. Isn't it exciting?
I need to investigate. Hang on. There's a tiny bird in there?
Yeah, that's right.
This is blowing my mind. Coochie-coo.
I'll be right back.
Oh, I wanted to talk to the baby.
I have an idea. I need this modeling clay. Watch this. I'll transform it into something special. Just give me a second.
What is it?
It's a bird.
Gimme, gimme. Whoa, it's cute.
It's having a baby, too.
I'll look after it.
Good boy, Leo.
It's just you and me, Birdie. Make yourself comfortable. I'll put this over your eyes. I'm making the first incision. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I just need to cut a small section. That'll do. Now I'll carefully lift it up. I knew it! There's an egg in there! I better remove it. Easy, don't want to crack it. Got it. Okay, now I can open it. I'm so nervous. Aw, it's a chick. It's adorable. I promised myself I wouldn't cry.
Uh-oh.
What?
I think my baby is coming.
I'm gonna throw up.
Ah!
Look, it's a baby. Isn't nature amazing?
Come here, little one. Mama's got you. It's got my beak. I've never felt so happy. Nothing can ruin this moment. Oh, I spoke too soon.
What? It's tasty.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that.
Wanna share?
The school bus is late today. Oh, look! It's quiet this morning.
Is that a new driver?
Whoa, that's different. Say night-night.
Whoa! Pretty bubbles!
I feel sleepy. Next. Hey. Let me freshen up. Okay, I'm ready for my photo. Oh, wait! Can't forget this. I gotta have a red carpet. And I need to keep the public back. That should do it. Work it, baby! Okay, now I'm… Huh?
We love you, Leo!
Hey, do something!
Leo, you're the best!
Come on, get out of here! It's such a burden being this popular. Okay, photograph time. Hold on. I need the right atmosphere. Okay, that should do it. How's this pose? Can I get a copy of that?
What's going on here? Baby science can help me. I just need a sample from this guard.
Hey, what are you doing?
I better get to work. Interesting. I need to be quick. Oops, silly me. Fascinating. Gotta go.
Don't move.
This is so weird.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Do I look like that? All aligned by color and size. Okay, are we settled? Pay attention. Wow.
Huh? Is this for me?
What are we doing with these? The lesson will begin. My pencils!
Move your foot, or I will. A book?
I don't know. I suppose we should open the books. A cookie?
I'm on a sugar-free diet.
I know. I'll have a quick search online. Cheating? In my classroom? Do something.
On it. Give me that.
You're mean.
Selfie. Hey, I look good.
Can I have my phone back? Whatever. Hey, can you hear me? I need help. What's going on back there?
Oh, right. I'll take those. What are you listening to? Oh yeah, that's my jam.
I'm not finished yet. A quick calculation will solve this problem. Hey! Get over there!
I'm getting bored of this.
Do you have to ruin everything?
This is so shiny and fun. Whoops. Be cool. No one saw a thing. Ah, there it is.
Let me help you. I could get lost in your eyes. I better get back to work.
Thanks for finding this.
Anytime. Leo is definitely passing this class.
Whoa!
He's so adorable.
Sorry, the floor was wet. She's so pretty. This is my favorite class. Oh, my cookie! It's a little soggy, but I did it!
But I feel woozy.
I don't feel good.
Come on. I did it! Huh? What did I miss? What's going on? At least I have a cookie.
Let's go to class. Uh-oh. Whoa! Look out! Crunchy. Sweet ride. This better not mess up my hair. Can I have a slice? Hey, sorry.
Why is it so cold?
Coming through. Night-night.
Leo? No! Geometry, my favorite! I know this! Hang on! That's the right answer! Where am I now? Ooh, pens! You won't be needing them. Thank you! Who was that? Out of my way! I'll take that.
Not again.
Out of my way! Phew! My desk! Looks like we're all here. Let's start. Wake up, Leo!
What? You're not my mommy. We're in class. Boring.
What's taking so long?
Who's that? Let's do this.
What now?
Let's get a little more comfortable. I want you to capture my good side.
Okay.
Guessing you don't miss ab day. Here goes.
Can't I paint a bowl of fruit? I prefer landscapes.
Don't move. I'm watching you. That was easy.
I feel grossed out.
Don't move a muscle.
This is so stressful. Come on, dude. Put it away. At least I can't see him now.
Wait a minute. Look at your model. Sup?
There's a reason I'm not artistic. I can't wait until math class.
Hold on. I have an idea. I need to start again. I hope this works. I need some paint first. I should have thought of this earlier. Now to paint over my abs. Hey, it tickles. This is harder than it seems. Look, I'm art. Now to put it on the canvas. That should do it. That's pretty lifelike. I better add some color. I feel the creativity flowing through me. Ah, yes. My work here is done. What do you think? I call it the fragility of man.
This is more family-friendly. I think it captures your spirit.
Time to judge. Not bad.
Aw, an A-.
It's good, right? I'm impressed.
It's not fair! I'm out of here!
What's her problem?
I tried my best!
That's a little dramatic.
That's it! I'm out of here! So long!
Oh.
I hate this class. Goodbye!
She's so weird.
Let's play hopscotch!
Not so fast.
Where are we? It's okay. I've got this. Oh, I see. It's pretty simple. You go first. Me? If you're sure. Ah!
Was that supposed to happen? Okay, I can do this. Wait, I have an idea. Watch this.
Do you have to take your top off at every opportunity?
Here goes. Ooh, it worked! Okay, I'll use my shoes this time. I'll try this square. So far, so good. Whoa! That was close!
I'm on my way, Leo!
Okay, what next? I'm glad I wore my lucky underwear. What one? Yes! The right choice! Okay, keep calm.
This was a good idea, Leo!
Focus. Wait. I'm out of clothes. Give me those glasses. That one looks good. I hope I'm right. Woohoo! I made it!
Whoa, why is everything blurry?
Olivia! Over here! Come on!
Okay! Whoa!
Oh, that's not good.
You ready for this? Let's do it! Got him! Oh, they're gonna get it! Get him! Now's our chance! Oh! What the? Oh, that is it! We're gonna be in so much trouble! You're all in trouble now! Oh! That was so big. Sorry, ma'am. Teacher never misses! This class is so boring.
Oh! What's that notification?
Could this be any more boring?
Listen up, class. You know what time it is. Oh, no! Ha ha ha! It's fitness time! Time to get our steps in and our heart rates up.
Oh, this is the worst!
That's right! Keep going! Work harder!
What the heck? Did he just sit down? What? Why are we doing all the work?
Hey! No stopping, slowpokes! Go, go, go! Get fit and strong! Enjoy your youth while it lasts! Yes, that's it! Give me everything you got!
Hey! Coffee and donut break in the teacher's lounge!
Oh, nice! You keep going! I'll be back.
Is he leaving? Oh, thank goodness. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Time to make him pay! Phew! That was a lot of work. He'd probably appreciate it.
Those were good donuts. Hey, lazy bones! What are you doing sitting down? Oh my goodness! What the? How did this happen?
He's totally stuck!
Out of order! Get up and get in shape!
Almost done with these decorations. Ugh, I can't reach for this last balloon. Come on, just a little further. Only a little bit more. Come on, balloon. What's going on over here? Oh, hey, Bella. Hey! Catch this! Whoa! Ah! Ow! You fell so hard! Ugh, what the heck? This isn't funny at all! Time for revenge in the form of a prank. I'll just fill this balloon with some water. And now for my drawing skills. Excellent! Looks just like a baseball. It's payback time. Hey! Yeah? What is it? Oh, catch? Awesome! Here it comes! Catch! Oh, what the heck? I'm all wet! Ha! Yeah, you are! I got you! Oh, I have to use the bathroom! Oh, sorry. I just gotta go! Wow. Honestly, she crashed right into me. Wait a second. I've got a great idea. I'll just shut off the lights. Hey! It's dark in here! Did you shut off the lights? Oh, guess I'll have to try and reach it. Oh my gosh! She totally almost got me! I'm gonna do it again. Are you kidding me? Time to catch who's doing this to me. Boy, I don't see anyone out here. I wonder how this light keeps turning off. Guess I'll never know. Ha! This is the easiest prank ever! Phew! I'm hilarious! Whoa. What's up with… Oh. Yeah, hi, I guess. But you've got something on your… face. Hi, everyone. Sorry I'm a little late. What the… Bella, was that you? No, it wasn't, I swear! What the heck? Did you put this on my seat? Wait a second. It was you?
Glad to see you're here, Bella.
Oh, I can't believe the teacher pranked me like that. What the… Is he giving me a rank?
Morning, class! Nice to see you on time. No Bella yet, though? What? How dare you! Bella, get your feet off my desk!
Yak, yak, yak. You talk too much.
That is it! Have it your way! Ah! Your legs! Her legs! Oh my goodness. Phew. Oh! A prank. I see. Very funny. You earn a point for that. And don't forget to show your work!
This class is the worst. Maybe I'll just take a nap.
What is that sound? Napping? Is she napping in my class? Wake up! Wake up! The teacher's onto you! Ooh! She needs to be taught a lesson. She thinks she can just fall asleep in my class like that. This VR will totally scare her. This is such a good idea on my part. I'll just put this over her face. There. It's ready. Wake up! Ah! I'm on a roller coaster! Help! How did I get here? Ah! Not the loop-de-loop! This is hilarious! Look at her go! She's flailing all over the place! Oh my gosh! Oh, my heart is racing! This is the best class I've ever attended!
It's important to know the periodic table.
Uh-huh. Sure. Whatever you say, Teach.
Cell phones?
Absolutely not! Ugh, okay, fine. There, we put them away. Okay, good. Let me just get a drink. That's some refreshing water. Alright, back to the elements. Uh-oh. I need a laboratory break. He just left us alone. Hey, you wanna prank him? Yeah, this will work great. Open it. And I'll get the tape. Okay, put it over the top. And then put the cap back on. This is gonna be awesome! Let's get back to our guests. Frank high five! Ew. That's better. Oh, my poor throat. I've been talking too much. Huh? What's going on with my water bottle? It's totally working! This is against the laws of physics. How is this water fighting against the gravitational forces? Is this a prank? Which one of you did it? We totally got him! Is that what you're working on over here? I'm not sure. I think it might need something else right over here.
Oh, what are you doing? That's my art! I don't want fish!
Nonsense. This piece definitely needs these fish.
There! You deserve that!
Oh yeah? Well take this then!
Oh, that's it! Have some pink!
Fine! Here's some green for you, you Grinch!
You are the worst! Ugh!
You'll have to get through my roller first! Ha ha! Oh my gosh! What the heck is going on over here? Oh! That is it! You both need a challenge after this. Into the box!
No. Quick! Run away as fast as you can! Huh? Oh man. We're stuck in our box. Not much to do down here, huh?
Yeah, but I kinda like the break. I'm enjoying my snack.
Oh my gosh! What is that? The principal! She's here!
Alright. Pay attention. I'm looking for this puppet phone case, okay? Alright. Look, I even have a phone template for you.
Phone templates? Man, this doesn't sound very fun. But I'm definitely gonna beat you.
We'll see. Already have a great idea. Yep, candies are the solution. As always. I'll start putting them in place on the template. Gotta make sure they're nice and lined up, too. Okay, and then I'll just fill the whole shape of the phone. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Well, two can play the being clever game. I've got this mini rolling pin and it's gonna help me win. That rhymed. Okay, but now I need my paints. I'll just add some orange polka dots on my rolling pin. All the way across in a line. And then onto the next colors. Ooh, this blue is so bright. I absolutely love it. Blue might be my favorite color. Okay, dots are made and now I'm ready to roll. Ha! Look at that! It totally worked amazingly well. Hey, Miss Principal! I'm done with my art! Huh? Oh, right. The artwork. Let me see. Okay. I see what you did there. Very nice. Now, how about you?
Oh, of course. I think you'll be greatly impressed by my work. Oh, shoot! I'm so dumb! I can't believe I just did that! I really had something, I promise.
Okay, alright, I believe you. But you're not the winner. She is. I get the phone as a prize? Amazing! Thank you so much! And now I can play with the poppet case, too. Ooh, I can call in an order, too. Yes, 1 large, please. Thanks! Oh, that was fast. Excellent service. Yes! It's pizza time! I'm starving and this looks so good. Oh wait. He's still feeling pretty bummed. Hey, I ordered a pizza. Would you like to share it with me?
Oh sure. I would. Thank you very much.
Let me see how I can frame this well. Oh gosh. I got lipstick all over my teeth. Maybe I need to try this angle instead. Okay, yep. Now I can finish up this drawing. Ta-da! There. I finished the drawing of the principal.
This is how you draw a portrait. You see? Now I challenge you to color this in.
Well, if that's the case, then we're gonna need makeup. Here's one for you to use, too. Alright, my makeup is all set out and ready for me to use. I wonder where I should start with my makeup. Oh yes, this. I'm a big fan of a bold lip color. It's really in right now. This pink is so pretty. I really love it. Now onto blue. Here we go. Onto the eyelids we go. This blue has a lot of nice sparkles in it. Can't forget some blush. I want to really highlight these amazing cheekbones. I need some color highlights for this hair, too. Oh, this purple's excellent. I kinda wish I had purple hair. And I added some freckles to her too, because they're cute. Ta-da! I'm done coloring my portrait!
I finished mine as well. Ma'am, we're ready to be judged.
Yeesh, that is some makeup you did there. I don't want to look at it. Oh, I love how yours turned out. So pretty. Ta-da! You win another prize. This palette. Yes! I love getting new makeup. I can't wait to try it. Huh? Hey, wait a second. This isn't makeup. It's white chocolate.
What? But what about my picture? I think she's pretty enough to kiss. Well, I love her, even if no one else does.
Oh my gosh! You turned into a clown! Literally!
What? Ah! I've turned into a clown!
Alright, next assignment is up, so pay attention.
An ice cream cone, huh? I can handle that. Time to use my artistic skills to get drawing. Got the ice cream and cone done. Now to embellish it. There. It's happy and cute. Next up, it's color time. I'm gonna fancify this, though. Okay, let's see if this works like I think it should. It's starting off blue. Now here comes the purple. Gotta do around the eyes. And now it's finishing with pink, just like I planned it. Excellent. Now that's what I call a great ice cream cone. Okay, better work on this cone too. Can't leave that to be boring. This yellow will be a bold contrast, I think.
Whoa! How the heck did he do that? It's amazing!
Better check my point of view real quick. Yep, good.
I need to do something just as cool. Let's see. Oh, that's exactly what I need. Excuse me? Hi! Could I have yours, please? I don't know you, so no way. But I really, really need it! What the heck? It's mine! Let go and leave me alone! Oh! Yoink! Sorry about that! I really am! Phew. Okay, I'm back. I better get to work now. I'll use this pretty tape to hold the cone in place. Looks like I might need a bit more. I'll add some down here. There we go. That should keep it nice and secure. Perfect! Ma'am, I'm ready to show you my art! Oh, already? Exciting. Oh. Does that really count as art? No, I'm not sure that it does. Hey, show me what you've got. Oh, okay then. That's more like it. It's very cute and colorful. Here's your prize.
Oh, nice. I was getting hungry, too. I love ice cream. Oh, this one's pretty cold. Wait, what the heck? Help! I'm frozen!
Huh? What's going on with you? Oh, guess that ice cream was really cold. Oops! There he goes. Ouch. Hope he's okay. Alright, that's all my things packed and ready to go. Now I just need to don my vacation hat. Bon voyage. So long. Take care. Because I'm outie. Oh gosh, I wish I was going on a vacation. That would be so fun. I could spend some time on the beach, relax in the sun with a tropical drink. Oh my. The island winds sure are powerful. Yeah.
Hey! You're daydreaming again. What were you imagining?
Oh, well, a beach vacation with warm sands and cool winds.
Oh wow. That gives me a great idea for more art, though. I'll add a little dab of paint to this butter knife. Then I'll drag and stop. There we go. It's not much yet, but it will be soon. Now for a dab of green paint on this toothpick. I'll draw an arch, and then little brush strokes on top like this. Can't forget to do the bottom side either. Look at those. They're perfect palm fronds. Okay, that's it. My tropical paradise is complete. It's very good, if I do say so.
Wow, it's beautiful! Just like in my imagination. I think it needs a little bit more, though. It's been a long time since I've done some finger painting. Turns out it's a skill you don't ever lose. There, done!
Oh hey! The principal's back from her tropical trip. We made this picture of a paradise together.
You work together? That's excellent news! Cheers! You both win this one! Yes! A little taste of our tropical island, right here in our hands!
Good job!
You too!
Just one more period till lunch. Was that Jared?
Kevin is about to get so pranked. Sneaky. Oh god. Phew.
Just one more step. It's showtime. Whoa!
Is this your arm, bro? How'd this even happen?
Give it back, Jared! I need that thing! Hey, Jared. You okay, dude? I'm fine, see?
Whoa!
It was all a prank. Let me help you out.
So good! Let's try it on someone else. Psst. Kevin! Go, go, go!
Say no more. Things are about to get sticky. Just a dab on the desk here. And this buck isn't going anywhere. Feels pretty good to me. Super glue indeed. It's all set.
It's go time! Phew.
You kids weren't doing any funny business, right? Nope. Good. Now, where was I? It's happening! God! I don't understand! Come on! Lift from me already! God, I can't take it! That's it. Uh-oh. Time to channel my super strength. Oh, yeah. Huh? So tasty. How do you like that? I definitely didn't see that coming.
Balloons are pranksters' best friends. He's coming. Sit here, okay?
Thanks. No! My lunch! What on earth just happened? Jared? Haha.
Relax, it's funny. I'm out already. Be right back.
How am I gonna eat this? Balloons are Jared's weapon of choice, huh? Two can play that game. I won't be needing this. It's nice and snug, see? And with the right condiments, you never know it wasn't the real deal. Let's see how he likes that.
New soda, new man. What? Gah! What kind of hot dog is this?
I just can't keep a straight face.
So hilarious, right? How'd she even fit in there?
You kids think you're slick. Not in my classroom, understand?
What a buzzkill.
These kids will thank me one day. Just wait. This is hard.
Kevin, the teacher's more bored than we are.
Shall we?
Oh, yeah. Lipstick time.
So good.
Shh. Let's go. We gotta be super quiet. He's out cold, huh? Oh, no. You get that side. Careful. We just need a few streaks.
I bet this tickles.
Okay, put his head back now. Perfect.
Yeah, so good. Come on. We're geniuses. Settle down now. What are you two looking at? You should be knee-deep in test questions. Be cool, be cool. What up, nerd?
My equations!
So what? You take things too seriously. Oops. Thanks.
You're not welcome. So rude. Gah! Just my toy roach. I should share it with my friend here. It ought to make him squirm. Let's do it.
What is it? Can't be that bad.
It's coming out!
Oh god! How big is that? Don't let go, I beg of you! He's gonna eat me alive! Die, bug, die! I gotta get out of here! You gotta save me, dude!
Alrighty. Anyone want to take a stab at these?
Yikes! Don't look at us! No, please, no!
I can't handle this kind of pressure. I can't!
Jared!
Me?
Sorry, bro.
Here you go. Let me see here. Uh-oh. I think this is out of ink. Oh, then try one of these. Well, isn't that convenient? I guess I'll try it again then. Psst, Kevin.
What?
Help! I'm dying up here!
Here you go.
What? An orange?
Catch.
Whoops. Now what? Look, so bouncy. Kinda has a rhythm to it. Rock on, orange! But, what do I do with this?
Open and spread.
Open and spread. Good thing this guy's so juicy. My arm's getting tired here. Now what? Miss Howard? It's not working again. See? It's definitely broken. Let me see that. It won't ride? Odd. Okay, sit down. You totally saved my butt! Hey guys. Switching over to chalk now. No! So I was like, no, I'm no fool. Hey! Thanks for sharing, dude. You didn't even ask for those!
He's got some nerve.
Ooh, I'm scared. It's cool, Kev. I got this. No one messes with my friends.
Sophia?
I've got plans for this guy.
I don't get it. Sophia?
Nice Snickers you've got there. Good luck walking in them. When you're attached to the table. Brilliant.
Where are you? Finally.
Watch this. Hey! What do you say to a race? Go! My head! Come back! Whoa! Huh? What happened back there? Was that because of me?
Talk about a party foul, dude. Better luck next time.
We did it! Great job! Now we just wait.
Running a little late for class. My coffee!
It's better than I ever imagined.
Who's responsible for this?
Oh, We might be in trouble. He brought teacher reinforcements. Hey, I'll see you later. Alright, I'll just stop at my locker. Why won't this dumb key work? What's that? Something weird is going on here. No. I don't like this. Ah, it's coming to get me! Box monster! There's a box monster in the hall! I'm too young to die! Well, that was too easy. World history is important in life. This meme is amazing. I have to forward it. Someone's not paying attention. I won't stand for that. Zoe, give me your phone. Everyone knows the rules. No phones in class. Anyway, like I was saying... Wait, what? I just took that phone from her. I said no phones. Okay, no, it's not possible. Zoe, I've had enough. It's time for your punishment for breaking the rules. My phone! My plan worked. The first thing I did was trace the phone and cut out the shape. Then it was time for the glue gun. I made sure the scissors were nice and stuck. Of course, I had to add some cracks. I wanted to look as real as possible. Here's your phone back, Zoe. I hope you learned a lesson. Maybe next time you'll pay attention in class. Oh, my poor phone. Hey, wait a second. There's something weird going on. It's fake. She tricked me. That's actually a pretty good prank.
All right, class, I'm here. Be quiet, class is about to start. Looks like today I have a surprise for you.
A test? That's the worst.
Who is it?
Look, I took chocolate off a student.
Okay, yes, I will be there shortly. Right, the test. Get to work.
Should we do this? Let's go. Let me check the hall first. Coast is clear. I'll just erase the board. Perfect. Like the words were never even there. Now for the next step. He's going to be so surprised. The heart will be a nice touch, I think. Time to fill it in so it looks nice. Gotta make sure I cover up the marker, too. Yes, it's the perfect trap. He's coming back. Head to our seats. Good work, team.
I do love that chocolate. Oh, what a nice message on the board. Oh, class, I appreciate the sentiment. But the blackboard is for teachers only. What is this?
He found it. He found the message.
Who is responsible for this? Well, I can write messages on the board, too. An F for both of you!
No.
school would definitely be interesting if OPILA was your teacher. Who would be your ideal teacher? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.